For homeowners in Hilliard, feeling safe and secure in your home is a top priority. Your doors are the first line of defense against unwanted entry, making them one of the most important features of your home's security system. Yet over time, even the strongest doors can lose their effectiveness due to wear, weather damage, or outdated hardware. That's why investing in professional door replacement is one of the smartest steps you can take to enhance your home's safety and peace of mind. A properly installed, modern door offers advanced protection, greater durability, and improved energy efficiency, all while adding beauty and value to your property. Here's how replacing your doors with the help of experienced Hilliard professionals can make your home significantly more secure. Strength starts with quality materials. Not all doors are created equal. Many older homes in Hilliard still have hollow core or deteriorating wooden doors that are easy to force open or damage. Today's replacement doors are built from high-performance materials designed to stand up to both intruders and Florida's unpredictable weather. Popular security-focused options include steel doors, known for their exceptional strength and resistance to impact. Fiberglass doors, which offer the durability of steel with the look of wood and greater resistance to humidity and corrosion. Solid wood doors, when properly reinforced and sealed, that provide both timeless beauty and robust protection. These materials not only make your entryway more secure but also help reduce maintenance issues caused by Hilliard's humid climate. Reinforced frames and hardware for added defense. Even the strongest door can fail if the frame or hardware is weak. Professional installers understand that true security begins with the entire door system, not just the door itself. During a professional door replacement, experts reinforce the frame with metal plates, heavy-duty screws, and secure strike plates that anchor deeply into the surrounding wall structure. They also install high-quality hinges designed to prevent prying or sagging over time. This level of reinforcement makes it nearly impossible for intruders to kick in or tamper with your door, giving you confidence that your home's entry points are fully protected. Advanced locking systems and smart technology. Professional door replacement gives homeowners the opportunity to upgrade to modern locking mechanisms and security features that go beyond the basics. Many new doors come equipped with multi-point locking systems that secure the door at several points along the frame, heavy-duty deadbolts and tamper-resistant locks, smart locks that allow you to monitor and control entry from your phone. Professional installers ensure that these advanced locks are properly aligned and integrated into the door structure, something that's often difficult to achieve with DIY installations. For Hilliard homeowners, this combination of physical strength and smart technology provides next-level security and convenience. Protection against weather damage and wear. Hilliard's humid climate and occasional storms can cause older doors to warp, swell, or rot. When that happens, gaps form around the frame, making it easier for both moisture and intruders to find a way inside. Professional door replacement includes proper sealing, weather stripping, and insulation, ensuring your new door fits tightly and resists environmental wear. This not only improves security but also enhances energy efficiency, keeping your home cooler in summer and more comfortable year-round. A well-installed, weather-resistant door is a long-term investment that strengthens your home against both nature and unwanted entry. Curb appeal and security in one upgrade. Security doesn't have to come at the expense of style. Modern doors offer an impressive variety of finishes, designs, and glass options that can elevate your home's curb appeal while keeping it safe. For example, decorative glass panels can be impact-rated and shatter-resistant, allowing natural light to enter without compromising safety. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern entryway or traditional design that complements Hilliard's small-town charm, professional installers can help you find the perfect balance between aesthetics and protection. Why professional installation matters. A door's security depends as much on installation quality as it does on materials. Even a premium door can fail if it's improperly fitted, leaving gaps or weak points. Local Hilliard professionals bring the expertise, tools, and precision needed to ensure your new door is installed correctly, securely, and built to last. They also understand the local building codes and weather conditions, ensuring your replacement meets both safety standards and regional needs. Final thoughts for homeowners in Hilliard. Professional door replacement offers more than a fresh look. It's a powerful upgrade in home security, comfort, and efficiency. With durable materials, modern locks, and expert installation, your doors become a strong, reliable barrier against intruders and the elements alike. By working with trusted local professionals, you can protect what matters most: your family, your home, and your peace of mind, while enjoying the beauty and durability that a professionally installed door brings to your Hilliard residence.